Alright guys, so today I got my Accessport from Cobb. Oh well, I got it last week, but basically I'm going to be installing it. So, what is this? It's to hold it probably. Here is the cable, so it can go plug right into where the OBD2 goes into. Protection. And what we got here is, oh nice. I'm guessing this is a plastic cover. And slide in right there. We'll put that off to the side for now and go into our Accessport. And it's protected. Looks beautiful. I'm guessing this. I'm guessing this is to charge it. But I got my own charger, so we'll let that in here for now. Alright, so let's plug this in first. Let's get it started. And let's charge it. So I'm guessing it comes dead. Okay. Alright, so let's install. And these are all the maps it has. Economy mode, valet, stage 1, and anti-theft. Alright, let's put stage 1 for now, since I got the air intake and everything. Alright, got it charged on the battery already. Alright, so it's going through. And for this it says make sure you keep your ignition on the on position. So like that with the lights and everything. And make sure your radio is off and climate control and headlights are off. Almost there, almost there. It's freaking hot in here. I can't put it on, so I can't put the AC on. It sucks. Almost there, almost there, almost there. 2, boom. 100. Ah, great. Okay. Patience is a virtue. I say how. Okay, so now it says leave the ignition in the off position. Load again. Nice, fast. And now turn the ignition to the on again. Boom. It says please turn ignition key off for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. Alright, now just wait in this 100-degree weather. Freaking sat my tail. Whew. I'm gonna wait a little more than 15 seconds just to make sure. It's been like 18 seconds. Alright, let's try it. There you go. Alright, so we got a crap load of gauges. I go here. You can choose how many gauges you want on the screen from 1 to 6. I picked 6. I already chose mine. And you can choose from like, I don't know, like 50 different, like 60 different gauges. Which is awesome because then you don't gotta buy gauges itself. It's a lot more expensive. We also got performance and why it's from 0 to 60, so it actually times it and in the quarter mile, so that's pretty good. That's neat. You can just time it whenever you want, know the performance of your car. Troubleshooting, like a OBD2 sensor. You can even reset the codes if you want. Take away like any engine light that's on, or any light in that case. And right here, you can change maps, do the adjustment of the timing, launch control. You can show the current map, so I can change it to, like, I don't know, anti-theft. Or any of them right here, which is really good. Alright guys, so before looking at the air intake, we're gonna go ahead and install this little holder for the Accessport. A little cleaning wipe and this little pad so you don't get anything on the adhesive. Go ahead and clean it. I'm gonna clean it down thoroughly. Make sure there's nothing left on there. Get it nice and clean. Oh shoot. Alright, and also we already put the backing for the Accessport too, so it'll look nice. Just clips onto there and locks. And boom. There goes your Cobb Accessport. Alright, now let's check out the air intake. Alright, so we're going to check out how the air intake sounds now before I actually drive on the road. Go for it. I'm gonna pull up right here. Let's get more on a straight lane so we can go faster. See that? Feel that push. Oh, yeah, you can feel the difference. Dang, that is way better than what it was in stock. Man, well, kind of stock because I had the exhaust, but totally different. That feels good. I don't know if you can hear the turbo too. It sounds way better. Or you could actually hear the turbo, hear the flutter too, just a little bit. You hear the air intake a lot now. It sounds a lot better and it feels way better. That is a huge amount of difference in horsepower and torque. Alright guys, so ended up being that the stage one was totally worth it. The whole Accessport and the air intake, it made a huge difference in the car. When you're pressing the gas, it just feels way better. You can tell the horsepower and torque that was put into it after putting the Accessport and putting the air intake. So overall, is a great buy. The Cobb, that Cobb Stage 1 tuning is amazing, and I would suggest buying it, honestly. But anyways, thanks for watching guys. That was a stage tuning for the WRX. Please like and subscribe to watch further videos on the WRX. And